Yeah, that doesn't sound good. I think it's just the clutch because once you get going past like 10 miles an hour, it takes off like normal. So pretty sure we're gonna be replacing the clutch today. I got the whole assembly. These are the nylon with the steel split on the gears. It's supposed to be a direct replacement. Got this from Eahora. I'm thinking it's just right in here is a clutch pack that allows the wheel to freewheel. I'm thinking that's, see if I spin it, I can spin. This would be technically allowing the wheel to go faster, and it's supposed to lock this way. And I'm betting that one in there burnt out. So we're gonna get that thrown in and get this thing back on the road. So we're gonna go ahead and take the nuts off. I don't have the right size, so I got the big old adjustable, and I already cracked them before I started lifting it, just to make it easier. So I gotta take those off, take the brake caliper off, take my special kickstand stopper. What really sucks is I just put new tires on here. I had all this apart a couple weeks ago. I still haven't even zip tied the cable back up, because as soon as I got it together, went for a group ride, and then bam. Whenever you pull these apart, you always want to check, because these have a tendency to overheat and melt. These are still good. And I like to use my cherry picker, or engine hoist, whatever you want to call it. Just allow me the freedom to guide this out instead of having the full weight on it, or having it just drop out. Pop it up a little bit more. I don't know if you saw that, but all I did was just lift it up and give it a little tap. It pops right. May not be the right tool, but it works. Seats look good. I beat the crap out of this bike. So. If it's the clutch, I mean, obviously the motor's putting out a heck of a lot more power than I can, but I can't make it slip by hand. I'm gonna have to beat it on there. So, just wipe off the teeth. Because these are split gears, you can see the teeth on the old one were worn a little bit. So we'll just get any of the steel shavings off. It says it's food grade. Doesn't mean you can eat it. Yes, that does mean you could eat it, right? Food grade means if it gets in your food, it's not going to kill you. There you go. You know, the funny thing is, every time I use this thing, it pisses me off, but I use it so infrequently that I just don't go buy a new one. My daughter asked me what I wanted for Christmas. A screwdriver that I can put my Torx bits in. There we go. I just gotta remember to tell her. It's kind of funny because she asked specifically, are there any small tools or something that you need? Preferably a magnetic one.